How to add Google Maps to Wix website. So go to the Wix website, then choose a site of yours that you want to edit. Once you're in the editor view of your site, click the plus icon on the top left, then go down to Contact and Forms. Go to Google Maps. A number of map designs will appear, so just choose whatever you want. After your map is laid out, click on it. Then a button saying Manage Locations should appear. Click on that and input the address of the place that you want to put in your site. Then add the name of the place. You can just add in a description for the place. After that, just click anywhere else and it should save the location. After that, just save the site itself on the top right, then that should do it. So that is how to add Google Maps to Wix website. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.